It's really crazy what I'm trying to do here, guys. I'm gonna give myself 20 minutes to film a cinematic B-roll from just one spot, and it's gonna be crazy. Let's do it. If you don't know, this is what the location looks like. It's just a what do you call it? It's a circle where 4 roads meet, and I'm just gonna get some footage right from here and try and make it look good. So the time right now is 4:35. Is it 4:35? Yeah, let's go. So there's some plastic key hanging right here. I'm gonna take a shot of that. I'm just walking around and seeing what works for me. So I think I'm 5 minutes down already. 5 minutes down. I'm just moving around and taking different shots. I just really quickly change the lens. It's 4:55 now. 4:35 is when I started, and that's it. So guys, that was it. Let's see what I can really make out of it. It was really strange walking through people and trying to film. The main reason for doing this video is that how creative that you can get from being in a boring location. That's something I wanted to show. I just pushed myself into doing this, and just wanted to be really spontaneous. And if you like the video, please do subscribe because that's going to keep me going and help me make more videos like this. Thank you so much.